Hello everyone, I'm Aditya. Today I'm here to show you an exciting demo. It's a software that helps you to convert your podcast, audio files, or any video file into a blog article, LinkedIn post, or an Instagram caption, or maybe you want to just generate YouTube title and description for your video so that you can publish it, or you can just summarize the video. So let's see a demo and see how it works. Now, first we will sign up. So I've already have signed up to this platform. So I'm just going to sign in. So I'm just going to put the details here and quickly sign in a moment. Now, next we can either upload a file from our computer. So it could be like a audio file or a video file. Now with uploads, there's a maximum limit of 500 MB. But let's say if you have a YouTube video or you have an hosted file, like a cloud hosted video file or audio file, you can always add that with a URL. So this has more limit than compared to uploading from a local computer or from your local device. For demonstration, I'm going to use this YouTube video of mine where I'm talking about technical depth. Now here, this is just 3 minutes 47 seconds video, but of course you can upload like larger videos as well. So I'm just going to grab the URL from here. I'll just paste the video here and let it process it and wait till this finishes. Right, our file is almost done and now there it is. We can now start generating the content. If we want, we can download the transcript as a PDF. That's great. Now if we just read through the transcript, it talks about welcome back to our channel, blah, blah, blah. So without any further ado, and then you decide, okay, let's watch it later. So this is giving an example of a utensils, like cleaning the utensils. The more you have, the better, like the pile just increase if you just delay the process. So it just gives an analogy for technical depth. Now let's go back and generate some content over here. So either let's say I want to write a blog article on the video I've created, or I want to write a blog article for the technical depth. Now I want to make sure that the blog article takes the context and information from the video. So what I'm going to do first, I will configure some details over here. So how I want the tone to be, how I want the length of the article to be, and so on and so on. So first, let's say if I want to keep it like informative, or do I want to keep it friendly, I'll just say I want to keep it friendly. Then I will go with the length. Let's say I want to keep it short, like a short blog article. The main purpose of the content is to educate, and the industry I'm targeting is, let's say, now this is a tech video, so I might go for a tech industry. Then if I go for audience, let's say I want to target developers, and now I might add some additional context here, like what I want to talk more on, or what I want this system to focus more on. But for now, I'm just going to leave it blank. So save the configurations. There you go. And now we'll just go back and hit generate. So now it will generate our blog article sticking to the configurations and the video that we have uploaded. So we'll wait for a moment and let's see what article we get. There you go. So now here, understanding the technical depth, the dirty dishes every developer should tackle. Like I gave an analogy of dirty dishes, like the more you have it, like the more you procrastinate, the pile just grow up. And then we have a blog article. So it talks about what is the technical depth. It gives an example of use a frying pan, set it in the sink and think I'll wash it later. And then it just keep on going. Now finally we have the article. Now if I'm happy with it, I can always copy it as HTML or plain text if I want to paste it straight in my website, or as a markdown if I have like a MD format or a markdown format for my website, or I can always generate again with different configuration. Now let's try something else. Let's try, I want to create a LinkedIn post. So now it will write a professional LinkedIn post that I want to put it on my LinkedIn, on my business page, wherever. There you go. The kitchen scenario, real world code example, and we are just trying to educate on LinkedIn, because remember in the configure we set that we want to educate. So it's trying to educate about what is technical depth and so on. Now here it also took an example from the video. I did provide the example. If you watch that video, I'll put the link in the description. If you watch the video, I did provide this example. So that's all about VerbalTide. Now, if you notice, it's so simple to create blog articles or any text content from your YouTube or your own video or any audio files. And definitely give it a try and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Till the next time, peace.